Hi, so welcome to the channel. Today we've got a bit of snow, as you can see in the background. So we're taking the Austin 7 out. We need to get over to Hay to do our food waste, because food waste in Herefordshire is not collected. There's a video on that. I'll put the link in the description actually. So yeah, so we're going over to Hay. So we decided to take the Austin 7 with the L plates on and our learner driver. Normally we'd take the Jimny, but as soon as the roads aren't too bad, we're going to take the Austin 7, and well, between here and Hay there's going to be a bit more snow, so let's see how the Austin 7 copes. We've never taken it out of snow before. I'm sure in its life it's been out of snow plenty of times, but this will be our first attempt, so let's see how we get on. Right then, so drive so far really good. I'll show you outside in a second. Just prompted a discussion between us. We wondered when we started gritting roads in this country. The roads are very clear here at the moment. We're just coming over towards Hardwickle. So yeah, so if you know when they started gritting roads in this country, let us know in the comments. So we'll have to yeah, just be wary of grit on the other side of our car. But anyway, I'll show you outside, and we'll get down towards the Black Mountain in a minute as well, and I'll show you the view of that when we get there. The driver's getting plenty of practice at double declutching, getting us into third gear of all these hills, but it's all good practice. In fact, this one might have ended up in second, but
it's getting better now.
It's actually picking up in it, yeah, so pretty good. So yeah, just coming over towards Hardwickle, and yeah, a little further down we'll get a view of the Black Mountain. I'm sure that'll be nice and white, as it often is. So let's have a look outside when we get down there. Right, so we're getting close to Hay. The Black Mountain's actually in a bit of clouds, so you can't see it, so it's the northern edge of the Black Mountains, but I'll show you outside the windows in a minute. We're actually moving to this area, so we're going to go up the hill that leads to the house that we're buying in a bit. It's an ungritted road, so maybe we'll see something there, but anyway, the Black Mountain would be off to the left. In fact, just gone past a bit, but it was covered in cloud. Get around this corner, they might get a bit more of a view. Yeah, in fact we will. And yeah, so it's been an easy drive over it. Our nice thin tyres have cut through everything, so let's show you out the window. So you see the Black Mountain definitely shrouded in cloud this morning, which is yeah, to be expected. It's very cold up there, isn't it? So yeah, just coming into Hay now, and we're going to do our food waste, and then we'll drive up to the house that we're going to buy and see what the road up to that is like. It's quite high up, get a good view from up there. Right, so we're just headed up the hill towards the house that we're in the middle of purchasing, which is just on the edge of Clyro. And we've got the Black Mountain off to the left, but again, still can't see it, but I'll show you what we can see. And yeah, the road here, well, I'll show you that as well. Unfortunately, it's not been gritted, but there's not much snow. But anyway, the bits of slush we have had to cut through today. The tyres have cut through them really nicely. And yeah, we look forward to taking this car out in the snow properly another day. So I'll show you what we can see outside and leave it at that. Wheel spin there? No. So the wheels are cutting through this really nicely, which is good. Fills us with confidence for next time we take the car out in the snow. And just arrived at the house we were in the middle of purchasing, so we'll actually drive past it when we said go up to the top of the hill. But well, it's just on the right here. That's basically, yeah, that's the one. Nice bit of snow on the edge here, showing us sold. Nice carriageway up there. Anyway, we'll have a proper look at that house another day. But let's just continue on up the road here. We're actually getting higher and higher, so the road is getting a bit snowier. But still no wheel spin? No, all good, isn't it? Yeah.
I can try and get some if you want me to.
No, I don't want to. But let's have a look outside. Just lost traction a bit there, but yeah, nothing too shocking. There's some really good views up here, which is why we're buying the house. It's going to be great. Also, almost at the top of the hill, so let's have a quick look out here. So these roads aren't gritted. The farmer does smooth the snow off when it's thick, as we found out a few weeks ago in the chimney. We'll link that video in the description. But yeah, all looking pretty nice and white up the top, which is good. So the snow over in Hay was not that good, so we've actually ventured across towards the Black Mountains now, and it's actually looking a bit more challenging. I'll show you out the window in a second. Can't really see the Black Mountains, we're in the clouds a bit here, but the roads are a bit more interesting. And how's the car doing, Sid?
Well, we're coming up a lot of steep hills, so it's a bit hot, and Austin 7s aren't really a fan of hills anyway. So it's struggling a bit up the hills, but weather-wise it's perfectly fine. You know, it's not really that slippery at the moment anyway, but I'm sort of hoping that it does get a bit more slippery because that'll make it more interesting.
Yeah, let's show you out the window. We've just come across quite a snowy bit here. So off to the right here we should be looking at the Black Mountain, but it's completely covered in cloud, and we appear to be heading into a bit of a cloudy bit as well. So how's the car gripping? Doing alright?
Fine. Well, we've not really got much power to spin the wheels up anyway, but now it is starting to cover the road a bit more. I'm going downhill, so that might be it.
Yeah, so we'll have to do the downhill bit nice and steady, but the yeah, the wheels, the tyres are cutting through the snow quite nicely.
But you can see it in the mirror.
Yeah, and yeah, so the roads aren't gritted here obviously, but the outside temperature is close to 0, but it's not really freezing cold at the moment. It's not that cold, but it's quite thick snow. We've come up quite high now, up into towards the Black Mountain, Cusset Hill behind us. So yeah, let's show you again what we've got. The snow obviously was quite deep here, where someone's ploughed through. You can see it on the edges of the road. So glad it has been ploughed. It's allowing us through, which is working out quite well at the moment. Yeah, it's a little bit more slippery now, yeah?
Yeah.
Looks like we're only the second car to drive down here from the tracks on the road. And yeah, tractor's obviously been down here before us to clear the road. The challenge now will be that we'll have to try and stick to the roads that tractors have actually cleared, and it could be a little bit thick otherwise to get up and down these steep bits, but all going well so far, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not bad at all really. If it hadn't been ploughed it would definitely be a bit more interesting, but...
So I think we can quite safely say that an Austin 7 is pretty good through the snow, yeah?
Yeah. I'd like to test it again when it's a bit thicker.
it's come to a bit of an uphill section where we're
getting stuck here. We're actually stuck.
Right, so this bit of hill here, we've just turned around going back down it, but we couldn't get up it. We had to have a push from the postman to help us get up it. We've turned around at the top, so we're just going to head back the way we came. It's been a good adventure, isn't it, Sid? Good fun. And we can see there, the snow is quite steep up here. And yeah, we're carving a new track through it. Postman's carried on his way, hopefully you don't get stuck, and we're just going to head back the way we came. But yeah, good fun. So the wheels on the Austin 7 are cutting through the snow quite nicely, but once we got to a bit that's no grip whatsoever, and it's very cold up here, quite icy, then yeah, we just came to a bit of a stop. But anyway, it's been good fun, and yeah, I'll show you outside now, but the roads down this bit back the way we came are a little bit easier.